go again, another beautiful day in paradise. And we're going to a dive site today called the Best of the Best. Now, interesting to see why they call it that, but got the camera, heading down the jetty, getting on the boat and going diving.
About to leave, already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know.
So where are we going today?
We're going to Best of the Best.
Why do they call it that?
Because it's beautiful coral, beautiful colourful fish and everything. School of fish.
Everything. What more could you want?
And a big swimming pool.
Let's go do it.
Alright.
I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go. Be free.
That was really nice. Some coral and nudies and live fish, Spanish dancer, some cleaning shrimp. The water's beautiful. Come up from our dive and we're heading over to a little island now to check it out and have a bit of a chill. Got our awesome dive guides
with
here
us.
with us. Been legends.
This water is so aqua blue through these polarized sunglasses. I'm going to have to get the drone up and get a few shots to show you how specky and beautiful this place is.
Oh, you know you're beautiful, you know you're beautiful, and it's like you're untouchable, like you're untouchable. Don't you know you're beautiful, you know you're beautiful.
Had an awesome day out here on the water around the island. Had some great diving. It's been pretty much a great day of filming actually. We got the drone up a couple of times, got some nice shots. So now we're sitting out on a boat. We've been serenaded by a couple of the local boys, drinking some rum punch and waiting for the sun to come down to shoot a nice sunset to end the day. So that's a pretty good day.